The little red rooster crows at sunrise. Welcome back. I'm Thomas, and today we're going to focus on one of the most challenging sounds for a lot of English learners, the American R or sound. This sounds really different from the R sound in some languages. In American English, we don't roll or tap the R. We make a smooth, continuous sound. Let's learn how to make it. The sound is in words like red, robin, and recruiter. It's a long, smooth consonant sound. To make the sound correctly, here's what we need to do. Your mouth should be slightly open with a slightly dropped jaw. Your tongue's really important in the sound too. It should be raised high in your mouth, but here's the key. It should not be touching your teeth or the roof of your mouth. You can't touch anything with your tongue to make the sound. Really important. So remember, slightly open mouth, jaw drops a little bit, and tongue's raised, but not touching anything. It's a smooth, continuous sound. So for the sound, it's really mostly about your tongue. First, relax your tongue, don't make it tense, and pull your tongue slightly back in your mouth too. Er, er. It's really important not to roll your tongue. No, we don't do that in American English. Um, and finally, your tongue shouldn't touch the teeth or the roof of your mouth at all. So don't let your tongue tap your teeth when we're making the American R. The tongue's really isolated by itself in the mouth. It's really helpful to hold the American R sound for a couple of seconds to really get used to what it feels like. Are you ready to practice? Okay, let's go. Smooth, long, easy. Compare that to your native R, the tap and roll, or yeah, to however your native R is. Compare that to the American just to get a feel for how it's different before we move on to practicing the R in some real words. Now let's practice some words with the sound in the beginning of the word. This is usually the easiest position to start with. Listen and repeat after me. Red, right, read, and road. All right, great job. Did your tongue touch anything? All right, now we have the sound in the middle of the words. Repeat after me. Very, sorry, carry, marry, arrive, correct, area, private. So when the sound is at the end of the word, it can be really challenging. Let's practice. Car, bar, far, teacher, doctor, computer, bear, and fear. Excellent. Just make sure the tongue doesn't touch the top of your mouth in any way when you make this sound. Good job. These are the real challenging ones. These are some of the most difficult words to pronounce in the English language. Try to repeat these after me. Recruiter, railroad, researcher, rural. These are really tough. Don't worry if you need to practice these a lot of times before you get them perfect. They're hard even for native speakers. Now let's make it even more fun with some tongue twisters. I'll read these sentences and you can try to repeat them after me. The recruiter rarely returns my calls. The reporter arrived early today. Red roses really refresh the room. Rural roads are really rough. These are really tricky. Let's try a few more tongue twisters. Roger runs around the river. Rachel reads rare recipes. Ricky repairs rusty radios. November is a rough month for researchers. Research shows that October is normally rainy. Okay, great job. Getting the hang of these sounds takes time and repetition. Here are some tips. Most importantly, record yourself. Use your phone to record your pronunciation and then listen back. This is one of the best ways to identify areas where you can improve. And practice every day, even just 5 or 10 minutes. Consistency builds muscle memory, like an athlete going to the gym. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps your pronunciation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great English videos, and we'll see you next time.